Have you ever looked up in the night sky? Those stars, galaxies, moon, these all fascinates you. But have you ever wondered what is beyond the moon? I welcome you to the journey of the solar system. The solar system is a part of a galaxy called the Milky Way. It is one of the billion galaxies that are present in this universe. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. It is present in a small arm called the Orion arm. It is a type of minor spiral arm. We are approximately 30,000 light years away from the center of our Milky Way galaxy. So, it takes about 200 years to orbit the Milky Way galaxy. It is believed that a supermassive black hole called the Sagittarius A is present in the center of our Milky Way galaxy. To understand about the solar system, we should first understand the Big Bang theory. In this theory, a small point called the singularity exploded and released quantum materials or nuclear materials like hydrogen and helium, which form the planets, stars, the solar systems, and these together form some galaxies. Our solar system came into existence 4.5 billion years ago when a group of interstellar gas and dust collided to form a solar nebula, which resulted in the formation of our solar system. Our solar system has 8 planets, which revolve around the Sun. These 8 planets are classified into 2 categories. The first is the terrestrial planets and the second is the Jovian planets. This classification is based on their composition. The features of the terrestrial planets. These are primarily made of rocky materials. The surfaces are solids. These have very few moons or no moons at all. These planets do not have rings. These planets are relatively small in size. The first terrestrial planet is the Mercury, which is the smallest planet in the solar system and is the closest planet to the Sun. It has the smallest orbit of only 88 Earth days. The next planet is the Venus, which is the hottest planet and is called the twin planet of the Earth. It has a thick atmosphere full of carbon dioxide, so the temperature reaches up to 500 degrees Celsius. The next planet is the Earth, which is the only planet where life is possible. It is because of the presence of water and a sustainable temperature and the distance from the Sun, and it is the biggest terrestrial planet. The next planet is the Mars, which is the red planet. It might have supported life forms 3.5 billion years ago, but it is collapsed by the solar wind that destroyed the atmosphere. The features of the Jovian planet. These are divided into 2 categories, gas giant and ice giant. These are primarily made of gas. These planets have rings and are very high number of moons. It is very big in size and is not in the solid state. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, followed by Saturn. The Saturn's ring is about 282,000 kilometers wide. Uranus is famous for rotating on its sides. The next planet is the Neptune, which is the outermost planet with 4.5 billion kilometers away from the Sun and is the coldest planet with minus 353 degree Fahrenheit. Between Mars and Jupiter is the asteroid belt, which is composed of small asteroids, and there is a belt called the Kuiper belt, which is also composed of small asteroids, but it is beyond the Neptune. Let's have a quick recap of all the 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. If you like the video, don't forget to share and subscribe.